Imagine standing in a room where a light breeze makes you feel like you might actually lose your footing, or having to endure those constant, well-meaning jokes from relatives and friends about how you look like you haven't eaten in a decade. It is a unique kind of frustration to feel invisible in your own skin, or worse, to feel like a fragile version of the person you know you could be. Most people look at the weight gain journey as a simple invitation to eat everything in sight, but if you have been thin your whole life, you know that just eating more usually leads to nothing but bloating and disappointment. This is because the conventional wisdom around weight gain is often fundamentally flawed, ignoring the complex biological machinery that determines how your body stores energy. We are not just looking for any weight, we are looking for healthy, functional mass that improves your strength, your confidence, and your long-term health. Before we even look at a plate of food, we have to understand the phenomenon of being thin on the outside, fat on the inside, or TOFI, which occurs when people try to bulk up using junk food, resulting in dangerous visceral fat around the organs while their limbs remain skinny. This script is your scientific blueprint to escaping that cycle and building a body that is as strong as it is healthy, using methods that respect your unique metabolism. The reality of being underweight is often dismissed in a world obsessed with weight loss, but the health risks are remarkably high and often overlooked. Statistically, hundreds of millions of people fall into the underweight category, facing challenges like weakened immune systems, low bone density, and a significantly higher mortality rate compared to those at a healthy weight. When your body lacks adequate muscle mass and fat reserves, it essentially operates in a low-power mode, where it cannot effectively repair tissues or fight off infections. This isn't just an aesthetic issue, it is a systemic biological vulnerability that can lead to chronic fatigue and a lack of mental clarity. To fix this, we have to stop treating your body like a bucket you just pour calories into, and start treating it like a high-performance engine that requires specific tuning. This tuning begins with identifying your body type through a series of structural and metabolic assessments, whether you fit the profile of a Vata or ectomorph with a naturally fast metabolism and narrow frame, or a Pitta or mesomorph who fluctuates more easily. Knowing your starting point is the only way to ensure the calories you eat actually turn into muscle, rather than just passing through your system or turning into unhealthy fat. Understanding the mathematics of weight gain is the next crucial step, moving away from guesswork and toward precision. Your total daily energy expenditure is the sum of everything your body does, from the involuntary beating of your heart to the calories burned while you are arguing with a friend or walking to the store. If you are a hard gainer, your engine likely idles at a very high RPM, meaning you burn calories simply by existing at a higher rate than others. To see the scale move, you must create a consistent caloric surplus, but the quality of those calories dictates whether you build a physique or just a stomach. By adding a controlled 500 calories above your maintenance level, you provide your body with the bricks it needs to build new tissue without overwhelming your digestive system. This isn't about one giant meal that leaves you lethargic, it's about a strategic increase in nutrient density across several sittings, ensuring your body stays in an anabolic or growth-oriented state throughout the entire day. When we talk about the specific foods that drive this transformation, we have to prioritize items that offer the most bang for your buck in terms of nutrition and energy. Take the humble potato, for example, which is often unfairly demonized in weight loss circles but is a literal gold mine for someone trying to bulk up. Potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that are easily converted into glycogen, the primary fuel for your muscles. When your glycogen stores are full, your muscles look tighter and more voluminous, and you have the energy required to lift the weights that trigger growth. Similarly, the debate over egg yolks needs to end for the hard gainer. The yolk is where the healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins live, providing the hormonal support your body needs to synthesize protein. Whether it's whole eggs or high-quality paneer for the vegetarians, these protein sources provide the essential amino acids that act as the structural repair kit for your muscle fibers after a workout. Beyond the basics, we have to look at, calorie density hacks, like natural peanut butter and white rice. Peanut butter is an incredible tool because it allows you to consume a massive amount of energy in just a few spoonfuls, making it perfect for those who struggle with a low appetite. It provides the healthy monounsaturated fats that support brain health and hormone production, while packing a caloric punch that is honestly hard to beat. White rice, on the other hand, serves as the perfect, easy-to-digest fuel source. Unlike brown rice, which is high in fiber and can make a skinny person feel too full too quickly, white rice moves through the system efficiently, allowing you to hit your high-caloric targets without the constant feeling of being bloated. When you combine these with a traditional balanced meal like an Indian thali, which provides a synergistic blend of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, you create a nutritional environment where really, weight gain becomes inevitable, rather than a struggle. However, eating is only one half of the equation. The way you live and move determines where that weight goes. If you are not challenging your muscles through resistance training, your body has no reason to use the extra calories to build muscle, and it will simply store them as fat. Strength training, focusing on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups, sends a chemical signal to your brain that the current body is not strong enough for the environment, triggering a growth response. This must be balanced with the often ignored pillar of recovery sleep. You do not grow while you are in the gym. You grow while you are asleep, and your body is releasing growth hormones to repair the damage you did during the day. If you are skimping on your 8 hours of rest, you are essentially throwing away half of the food you ate. By combining frequent nutrient-dense meals with heavy lifting and deep recovery, you are finally working with your biology instead of against it, turning your thin genes into a foundation for a powerful, healthy, and resilient body. The psychological journey of weight gain is perhaps the most difficult part, as it requires a shift in how you perceive yourself and your progress. You have to move past the quick-fix mentality and realize that your body is a masterpiece in progress that requires months, not days, of consistency. There will be days when you don't feel like eating, and days when the scale doesn't move, but these are the moments where the easiest way becomes a test of discipline. You aren't just changing your weight, you are changing your identity from someone who is fragile to someone who is capable. When people see the new you 3 months from now, they won't just see more mass. They will see the confidence that comes from someone who took control of their biology. This is your journey, and by following this scientific, high-calorie, recovery-focused blueprint, you are ensuring that your transformation is permanent, healthy, and undeniable. It is time to stop being the person who can't gain weight and start being the person who built themselves from the ground up. Consistency is the secret ingredient that no supplement can replace, and it often requires a fundamental restructuring of your daily habits. For many, the hurdle isn't the lack of knowledge but the lack of preparation. Gaining weight as an ectomorph requires you to treat your meals with the same seriousness as an athlete treats their training sessions. This means prepping high-calorie snacks like trail mixes, carrying a water bottle to stay hydrated, which is vital for muscle protein synthesis, and perhaps even tracking your intake for a few weeks to realize just how often you were under-eating without knowing it. The human brain is incredibly good at tricking us into thinking we've eaten enough when our biology is actually screaming for more fuel to support growth. By stepping into a structured routine where meals are non-negotiable, you bypass the emotional fluctuations of appetite and enter the realm of results. Finally, remember that the goal is longevity, not just a number on the scale. While it might be tempting to drink weight gain shakes filled with maltodextrin and artificial sugars, your body thrives on real, whole food nutrition. The micronutrients found in leafy greens, the antioxidants in berries, and the minerals in nuts all play a role in the enzymatic reactions that allow your muscles to grow and your hormones to stay balanced. A truly successful weight gain journey leaves you feeling more energetic, mentally sharper, and physically more robust than ever before. You are building a temple that will house you for the rest of your life. Every meal is a brick, every workout is the mortar, and every night of sleep is the time the structure cures and hardens. Commit to the process, trust the science,